Hey everyone, this is a short video that will hopefully help you draw a best fit straight line with LibreOffice Calc. So I have some data that I've put in up here. I've labeled my columns. You don't have to do that. I like to do that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to select the data. Don't select the column headings if you have those. So highlight all of those. So I click on one, shift, click, got them all. Now we're going to go to Insert, Chart, and we want XY scatter. Click Next, Next, and Next. The title should be the dependent versus the independent variable. Here I'm going to be plotting density on the y-axis, mass percent sodium chloride on the x. So it'll be, notice I put my units in there. So density in grams per milliliter versus, so density is the y, the x-axis is the mass percent sodium chloride. I don't like the legend, it clutters stuff up, so I deselect that. Subtitle will be your name. X-axis, this case, it's going to be the mass percent sodium chloride. And the y-axis, in this case, will be density in grams per milliliter. No z-axis, I like to display both x and y grids. Click Finish. Now we have our rough graph. Notice how it has this gray line around it. Now, when it looks like that, we can go inside and we can change stuff in the graph. If we want to just move where it is on our screen, click outside, and then if you left click again, see now it just has these orange kind of squares in there. Should be able to move it around if you want to. And then to go back into it, just double click, left double click. Actually, just single click. Now, first thing I'm going to do is insert the trend line. So I'm going to left click on one of the data points, and then right click on that data point, and I'll go to insert trend line, left click. I want type, I want linear, that's good. I want to show the equation and the coefficient of r squared. And click OK. Now we're going to clean it up a little bit. First thing I see is that my equation up here has too many digits in it. You can move all this stuff around just by dragging it around wherever you want to. Click it and drag it. Put it somewhere you can see it. I'm going to right click in there. I'm going to format trendline equation and go to numbers. Click number, and the places, decimal places, I think if I do about, in this case with those numbers, about 6 past, it'll clean it up pretty good because I've got these zeros out here. I want at least 4 sig figs in this number. One other thing, and then we'll be done, is there's some wasted real estate here. All this space up here, I want my data to take up pretty much all the graphs. What I'm going to do is, again, double click into there, left click on the y-axis, right click on it, and go to format axis. And now I'm going to go to scale. Deselect auto. And I think that if I start at 0.98 instead of 0.94, it'll look much better. The top looks okay, 1.08 is a good place to start. So click enter, now it looks better. And you're done. To insert this in your lab report, so click outside of the graph and then left click on it to where you have just these squares on there. And then you can copy, Control C. And then if you're, let's open up a writer. So you're writing your lab report in LibreOffice. It's on. Yeah, Control V. And there it is. And that's all there is to it.